Hello there, continuing my celebrity makeup bag series where I choose a star whose style I admire and research products we have in common. No shopping, just finding out what we both enjoy. Sources always listed below. Gemma Chan is an incredibly chic, sophisticated British actress. There's just something so timeless, polished and poised about her at all times. I've been a fan for years and I'm so glad Crazy Rich Asians and Captain Marvel brought her into the spotlight. So many subtle, understated, smoky eye looks and plenty of statement red lips. She's endlessly elegant and extremely clever too. She's actually an Oxford Law graduate. Truly breathtaking moments on the red carpet this year, so let's see what she used. Quite a lot of Clé de Peau to start, a brand from Japan with a touch of French elegance. Gemma often works with Monica Blunder, a celebrated celebrity makeup artist, and I've certainly seen Clé de Pau's famous concealer in Monica's kit. Quite an investment, but it lasts for such a long time. It's my holy grail, the only spot concealer I've used for years because it has great coverage, but it blends seamlessly into the skin for a natural look. Gemma's stunning hot pink Oscars look included Clé de Pau's cream blush in shade 2, Pale Fig. I have shades 3 and 4 and love them. One of the most beautiful cream blush formulas I've used because it's light as air, so smooth to blend and looks like a natural flush. Shade 3, Persimmon, is a bright, summery apricot, and shade 4, Perfect Peach, is more of a muted nude rose on my skin, less peachy. At the Golden Globes, it was time for a powder Clé de Peau blush, and Gemma wore the shade 102. I recently loved trying Japanese makeup in a video and picked up the same Clé de Peau cheek colour duo in shade 103. So silky smooth and luminous, and this peachy pink duo makes a lovely eyeshadow too. Swapping to another cream blush, and Gemma's look at the Independent Spirit Award nominations in 2018 included a formula that's a bit of an unsung hero for me. Elizabeth Arden Gel Blush in Nectar was the shade she wore, and it's my pick too. Discovered it years ago, and the water-light texture under that bouncy sponge gives you such a radiant look on the cheeks. Gemma's sleek, smoky eye moment at the Critics' Choice Awards this year was complemented by Pat McGrath's Skin Fetish Highlighter and Balm Duo. Mine is an early version, the packaging is different now, but one end has a creamy highlighter and the other is a balm for a dewy glow. On her eyes for that same Independent Spirit Awards red carpet, she wore Chanel's eyeshadow quad in Tis Vendome, one of my favourite Chanel palettes for a peachy glow. Their formulas are so soft and luxurious to use, always giving you that subtly smoky look that Gemma wears so well. Definitely have my eye on the Tom Ford Coco Mirage palette too, which she wore to the Met Gala this year. Gemma's chic character Astrid in Crazy Rich Asians had a signature YSL lip colour, their Tatouage Couture Liquid Matte Lip Stain in number 22. I haven't tried that lip stain, but some YSL formulas I enjoy are the creamy Rouge Pure Couture in 52 Rouge Rose, a bright peach goodie from Meccaland this year, and their Rouge Pure Couture Slim in the deep red Enigma, one that popped up in my Zoe Kravitz makeup bag video too. Gemma shared a lip look on Instagram that she loved, Chanel's Rouge Allure shade Ultra Berry. Sadly, it's not around anymore, but Rouge Allure Velvet in Rouge V is a very, very close shade match. A really rich brick berry red and one of my all-time favourite formulas, intensely pigmented but comfortable and creamy. At the London premiere of Crazy Rich Asians, Gemma stunned in another bold red lip. It was Chanel's Le Rouge Crayon de Couleur Matte in the shade Subversion, but I have the shade Impulsion, which is a bit darker. A great creamy crayon to draw on easily and make the lips look really precise, or smudge the edges for a more lived-in look. Now I can't remember where I read this, but I swear I saw it reported that Gemma wears NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Cruella. Wouldn't be surprised, she clearly loves a red lip like I do, and it's quite a famous shade. Mysterious Red is the NARS red I enjoy, and it's a very similar tone. Her spectacular Tom Ford Met Gala look was topped off with their rosy lipstick Pink Tease, but I have this teeny tiny little travel size in True Coral, a summery melon shade that seemed to fit the kind of colour mood Gemma wears. A little bit of skincare to finish because Gemma's skin is flawless. She says Eve Lom's cleanser is amazing and she uses it for an extra bit of pampering in the winter. This cleanser really is just as much about the ritual of using it and its relaxing herbal scent as it is about the results. Haven't used mine in a while, so Gemma's reminded me to get back into it. Monica Blunder's makeup kit often contains Weleda Skin Food, a makeup artist's staple and a real multitasker. This thick ointment can prep lips, add intense hydration or a dewy glow to the skin, or soothe dry skin and cuticles. A very well-loved Aussie favourite to finish. Gemma said the Australian brand Aesop is wonderful, I agree, and she admitted she's a bit obsessed with their Resurrection Aromatic Hand Balm. She says it just smells delicious and it's all thanks to the mandarin rind, rosemary and cedar inside. Let me know if you were wowed by Gemma's red carpet looks like I was this year. She's such a beauty and I love the subtle colour palette she and Monica Blunder often go for. What a team. Don't forget to tell me if you saw any of your favourite products here too. Thanks for watching, see you next time.